So this is a little video I'm gonna do of my food plot land roller, or lawn roller if you want to use it, that I just finished on Labor Day. This is a 30-inch diameter, a half-inch wall steel pipe. It's just over 5 foot long. You can see I'm not running bearings. I made bushings on my shaft, so you never have to worry about the bearings going out. I took an old hitch off a Minneapolis Moline grain drill, and also here got a mud scraper I put in for extra support. I welded all the way around. On this side I do have where I can fill it with water. It'll hold approximately 180 gallons worth of water. Right now as the unit sits, it's about 1,100 pounds. And down here, as you can see, I also have, I can either fill with water or drain with water. So I have two options that I can either fill or drain with this land roller. I have used it already, but I haven't used it with water, so I'm going to actually be adding water into it right now. What a guy does is they just put the hose in there quite a ways. And we just turn on the hydrant and we let it fill. So it's probably going to take quite a few minutes to fill, but I just wanted to go over. It's not that hard to put one of these together, just a pin hitch. The hitch, when I stand it upright, it's just over 9 foot long from taking the account of the roller laying on the ground. Everything rolls smooth. I got about 14 hours between welding and putting everything together on this, which isn't bad. And I have just under $250 in material into it because I was able to get a good price on the pipe. The most expensive part was getting my ends lasered out on a sheet laser. Steel prices aren't cheap right now, but I wanted to get my project done. So if you have any questions or any comments on how I put it together, just leave a comment section and I'll get back to you. I'll gladly answer any questions that you guys have to help you along if you decide to build your own. Thanks for watching.